Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Stripe. Today we are going to learn about how to make payment with Stripe using Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a payment with Stripe using Node.js. Okay. So here I will just put another email customer323 at the example. Okay, restart. So let's take a payment first. Okay, we have a charge. So I have going to with the charge. Let's send this. Your card expiration month is invalid. Card expiration month. Let's have a look. Where is card expiration month? Okay, it should be 24. Okay, let's send this. And we have the full details. Let's go to the Stripe. We have a payments. And here you can see that we have a 75 for the payments. Let's open this. Okay, we have all this, but it's incompleted. But here you can see that we have a 3D secure attempt is incompleted. So whenever you hit this API, okay, so here we have the URL to validate that the this payment method is have this one. We have to validate the 3D card secure. So whenever you just hit this hit this URL, you have this URL, right, to complete that 3D secure. So just copy this one, okay, and just redirect somewhere in the browser. Okay, just copy and just paste it, and it will give you that authentication complete. If we go to this one, so currently you can see that here we have the incomplete. If I reload again here, and this is in attempt incomplete, right? So because we have completed the 3D secure part. So when I just reload this one, okay, so the payment gonna be successed. Payment success, 3D secure was also attempted, and your payment is gonna be success part. Okay, and here we have all the details like the 37 to 75 rupees payment has been done, and here we have the receipt and everything. Okay, so payment status requires an action is completed. Okay, so here you can see that we have received the payment and its success part. And if you go to the payments again here, so here you can see succeed. Okay, the payment is complete. So this how we are going to do that in the Node.js. Let's dive into the code level. Okay, so here we go with the code. So here we have a charge API, right? So first we require the customer name, customer email, then billing address. If you want to skip, then you can skip. Okay, then we have a payment methods create. So we create the card. Okay, so this method will create the card over here. Payment method type card, and here we have the billing details. So here because here if I go over here to this customer, because customer is already created over here, so let's check that one, John Doe as a guest customer. So here you can see that the two payments have been successfully done, and here we have the payment methods, here we have the billing details. Okay, and this is related customer accounts, this one, right? So here we have the all the details. So if you want to put the billing details, so it will come over here. Okay, next we have the payment intent. So await Stripe payment intent create. So here we have the payment method ID, then amount, currency, confirm, payment method type, the receipt email. Okay, and then response dot send payment intent. Okay, so by using this one, you are able to send the payments using the Stripe in the Node.js. Any doubt, any query? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.